BugHerd makes giving feedback on websites easy, and we're going to take a look at how you can leave video feedback on a website. From the BugHerd sidebar, click the video button. You'll need to give permission for your microphone if you want to record yourself. You'll also need to give permission for screen recording, and you can select whether you record a particular screen, a window, or an individual tab. Once the screen is recording, you can simply interact with the website and point out anything you'd like to give feedback on. Video feedback is great for things like animations not working or rollover menus. As with all feedback, being concise is helpful for whoever is receiving it, so we recommend keeping videos short and with just 1 or 2 feedback points. To help, we've set a timer for you. When you stop recording, you can add some details to the task and save it. You can review your task by clicking the sidebar and viewing your video. Video feedback is sent to the task board, where it can be viewed, managed and actioned, the same as any other task in BugHerd. So now it's even easier to leave great website feedback with BugHerd.